Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best large hairbrush on the market, the Wet Brush Original Detangler Hairbrush, Amazon exclusive Aqua Edition. If you've ever struggled with tangles, breakage, or just finding a brush that works on all hair types, this might be the game changer you've been waiting for. The Wet Brush Original Detangler is designed with ultra-soft IntelliFlex bristles that glide effortlessly through knots on both wet and dry hair. These bristles are flexible and gentle, meaning they minimize pain and reduce hair breakage, making your detangling experience smoother and healthier. Whether you have straight, curly, thick, or textured hair, this brush promises to work with your unique hair type without pulling or snagging. One of the standout features is how this brush gently loosens knots without damaging your hair. The moment you start using it, you'll notice a difference in how easy it is to glide through tangles. It's especially beneficial for damaged or fragile hair because the bristles are designed to be kind and protective, helping to maintain your hair's strength and integrity. The handle is crafted from durable plastic, giving you a comfortable grip while styling. The brush's shape is oblong, which provides excellent coverage for larger sections of hair. This means you can detangle faster and with less effort compared to smaller brushes. Weighing just under 4 ounces, the brush feels lightweight in your hand, perfect for everyday use whether you're at home or on the go. Its Amazon exclusive aqua color adds a fresh, modern look to your haircare routine. Not only is this brush great for detangling, but it's also suitable for all genders, making it a versatile choice for everyone in the family. Plus, it's made to be used safely on both wet and dry hair, adding to its convenience and flexibility. Manufactured by J&D Brush Company LLC, the Wet Brush Original Detangler holds a strong reputation in the haircare industry. It ranks highly in beauty and personal care categories, confirming its popularity among a wide audience. Overall, if you want a brush that's painless, effective, and adaptable to any hair type, the Wet Brush Original Detangler is worth considering. It transforms a frustrating haircare task into a simple, almost effortless part of your routine. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in the Wet Brush Original Detangler, check the link below and let us know what you think after trying it out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews. See you next time.